I've done of lately is to think of how to make things work between us. How to make everything okay for us. I can't stop thinking about you.
Babe, I have a surprise for you. But it's upstairs in my room. Come, let's go.
What surprise?
What's happened? What is the problem, babe? What is it?
Upstairs in your room? No, please.
Babe, this is the third time you're declining the request to go to my room. Why? I mean, you freely enter all the rooms downstairs, but not the ones upstairs. What happened? You think I have a dead body in my room?
No, babe, it's not that. I just don't like climbing the stairs. You know, when I was little, I fell and I broke my leg. And since then, I've had phobia for climbing upstairs.
Come on, honey. You're a full-grown woman now. Huh? You shouldn't be scared of things that happened in the past. Come, let's go upstairs.
Don't worry. When I'm ready, I'll go. Okay. But for now, I'll wait here for the surprise to come.
If you say so.
Okay. I'm waiting.
Come on, what do you expect? Alvin and the Chipmunks. Now I know why they call you that. Man, what are you? An assassin?
I'm just trying to be a man.
A murderer? The guy was shouting.
I'm just being a man, bro. I'm just being a man, okay? What do you expect? That girl in there, she is fire. Just go in and finish from where I stopped, okay?
You don't tell me that. Because you know what they call me? You know what they call me?
The law.
The law. So I'm going in there and I'm literally taking the law.
Come on.
I mean, look at you. The real MVP. The full package with all of the stuff you're carrying. I like it.
Please, can you just stop? You know it's because of my friend Jenny that I'm here.
Really? So, what are you implying? That I cannot ask you out and bring you back to my home without Jenny's consent?
No, that's not what I mean.
What do you mean?
You're attractive, you're very handsome. But I don't usually act swiftly. It will make me look so cheap. Look. Stop.
What?
That's unfair. You should have at least allowed me finish my statement before interrupting.
But baby, it's not unfair. I mean, you are the most gorgeous woman I've set my eyes on in this vicinity in recent time. I swear.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Am I sure you're not lying to me just to be honest with yourself?
Me? Lawson, lie to you? You don't even know me. Listen, I can't remember the last time I brought a woman home to this house. Honestly.
It's enough before you trick me with your lies.
I'm not lying. Why are you accusing me of lying? Huh? Well, if I cannot kiss you, at least would you let me show you around? After you.
Thank you so much for today. I really enjoyed my stay at your place.
Pleasure.
And thank you for dropping me as well.
Pleasure is all mine. And tell you what, the next time when you do come around, I've got a mega surprise for you. Mm-hmm.
Well, that depends if you'll be a good boy, because I kick ass.
Oh, you do?
Oh, yes, I do.
Okay, good luck with that. Because you see, I have a bony ass, so my ass is very bony. You might break a toe, try to kick it.
Well, that's not going to be bad.
Really? Oh, well, we'll see.
Thank you so much. I need to go inside now.
Ah, not so fast. Give me a moment. Ah, oh, sorry. Here, just get yourself something nice. And thanks for coming.
This is too much. This is about 100,000. Why? No, thank you. I don't want it. Thank you.
Who says it's too much, me or you?
I mean, we didn't even do anything. I can't accept it.
Do we have to do something together for me to give you something? I mean, this is a token from me to you saying, thank you for coming. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right? Take
I'll
good
see you
care.
some other time.
Definitely. I can't wait.
Bye.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, Jenny. What's up? Well, I'm okay. Look, that guy wants to sweep me off my feet. Like, I honestly don't even know. Do you know he gave me a whopping sum of 100,000 naira? And we didn't even do anything. Yes, I know. Yes, I know it's your connection. Thank you very much. You've been a good friend. What? He called you already? See, you both should not gossip around me because that guy is such a sweet talker. I know. Okay, see, you know what? I'll stop by at your office first thing tomorrow morning. I better go, Jerry. You like my phone? I'll call you. Jenny, I'll call you. I'll give you all the gist later. Okay. Alright. Bye, girlfriend.
Lawson. See, guy, where did you get this one from? I mean, from the way you're describing her, I am sure this must be a very beautiful girl. Let me see the pictures again.
You sure you want to see this one?
Of course, I want to see.
You want to see this one?
Man, I want to see.
Check it out.
Wow. 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 Come on, man.
Banger party.
This girl is such a beauty to behold. Come on.
I told you. You know, I'm the master of the curves.
Of course, I can see that. Come on, I cannot even wait for that day to come. Oh, look at this shape. Look at this waist. Man, this waist I'm seeing right here cannot be a waist. As long as the grid remains, we'll keep eating, dining, and devouring them. All of them.
You know this thing, you know. And guess what? The ocean never runs dry.
Never.
You know what? We're seeing her tomorrow evening. So make yourself available.
Come on, you know me. You know how I can be. As long as it has to do with women, I'm always available. I'm never busy.
Maybe we'll think I'll swear for you. Idiot.
Come on, man. What do you have in the house?
I've been drinking all. You help yourself.
No, I think I want to eat food.
And go to the kitchen. So, always good to have you here. Hey, hang on, bingo. This is my woman. I alone get all the hugs around here, okay? What's up?
Good evening.
Good evening. Hi, my name is Alvin, and you are?
I'm ready.
Rolly. Wow.
Calm down. You too life woman. Why don't you let me make the introduction? I will do the introduction myself. That's why I call you bingo. You. All right, so, babe, this is Alvin, my very good friend, like probably my best friend. And then Alvin B for bingo. This is my girl, Rolly.
Rolly, I must say you look absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you. It's nice meeting you.
The pleasure is all mine. So, where you guys headed?
She was leaving, but I think there's a slight change of plan now on my part, so we're gonna go have some drinks, girl.
Okay, that sounds nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you I was leaving.
I know, but Alvin is here now. Come on now.
Come on,
That's
we'll
good.
have a drink.
I don't mind, I'll drop you off there after. That's good. And there will be time enough to tell you about the certain three wise men. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
So, Rolly, do you mind riding with me, or you're riding with this guy?
Let's go. Let us go.
I'll just drive behind.
You can as well run after us. He's insane. I don't.
Babe, your body is burning up like you're feeling feverish. Are you okay?
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Feverish? Oh, I'm not fine. If I were feverish, I know what to do. Trust me.
But I know when a doctor is not feeling well.
With all my experiences in medicine back in school days, with the little knowledge I gathered, it would be silly of me to fall sick and not know what.
Please, before you start to lecture me, I also went to school. Making it look like it's fun.
Hello, everybody.
Hey, oh.
Hi, Lawson.
What's up, man? You didn't tell me you were coming. Wow.
Hi, Alvin.
Hi, Rolly. How are you?
You didn't say you were coming.
Glad to be here. The thing is, I have this client who stays on this country street. This guy is just that I come to his house so we can discuss his case. So I came in and I said I come stay on the street.
How thoughtful. Idiot. So, how was your outing at the court the last time?
Oh, that. What were you expecting? Of course, I won straight up.
God despises the proud, my guy. You're too proud. Just say you won. What else?
How baby, you actually came back in time. I want to set the table for dinner.
Oh, you like food?
Mm-hmm.
How did that happen? Eh? Is she half dead or something?
Why are you asking me?
We haven't even done the rounds on her. She's out already.
Come on. Where the hell did he get that girl from? What am I going to do? What? Calm down.
It's a serious issue. Listen. Look, In a situation like this, the best thing to do is gather yourself together. No, listen to me. You need to pull yourself together. Okay?
How on earth am I supposed to do that? This girl in question is friends with Annabelle. What am I going to tell Annabelle? What am I going to tell her? What? This is a serious issue. This is a serious issue. Are you sure she's dead?
You're joking. She's dead. She's fucking dead.
Our actions. It's almost 11 p.m. Say something, man.
You know what? Let me go upstairs and get her body. You go start the car right away. Do as I said. Please.
Babe. Babe.
Yeah. Babe, it's you.
Yes, it's me.
Was I dreaming? I must have been dreaming. Where's Alvin?
Yes, you were dreaming. And of course I am not Alvin. I don't know where Alvin is. Why are you here? Why did you leave your door open? Where is your security guard?
I left the door open. Oh, I'm sorry. I had a very stressful day.
You look so messed up. Did you sleep here last night?
Maybe I must have dozed off. I don't know. I just dozed off. Like I said, I was so tired.
Let me take you upstairs so you can freshen up and I'll make you something to eat.
Can I get the phone?
Okay. Oh, baby.
Damn man. So what happened last time? I mean, I woke up, I didn't see you. When did you leave? It was Rolly that even woke me up. I was far gone.
Yeah, about that, I left immediately we returned. So
I hope you disposed of the body properly.
sure I did. Where I disposed her body, in the next 100 years, nobody will even find out.
Great. I trust you. Man, that was close. That was really, really close. But what really happened? What did you give her? What made her go flat like that?
I don't know. I think that girl was high on drugs or something.
You sure you didn't overdose her?
No. I gave her the normal sleeping pills so we can have our way.
Are you sure?
Of course, I am sure. It's not my first time.
Of course it's not. That was why I was wondering. But we need to be careful. To be really, really careful about the kind of girls we bring to this house. Some girls just come to put somebody in trouble. Do you know what that means? That's dead by hanging.
Come on, Lawson, you had the better part. I mean, I've not even gone a mile before she passed out.
That's in the past. Let it pass. You're still thinking about that? Huh? Don't worry. Tonight is your place. And I hope you have a girl already.
You're a bad boy. Of course I have. And this particular girl, I've always wanted to have something like this with her. I just can't wait.
Learn to wait. Huh? It's just a new fish. Let her breathe. You're always too eager.
Man, I wish I can, but I just can't. I can't wait.
Can't wait. You can't wait.
Pauline. Who is Pauline?
See, Pauline is his ex that passed not long ago. Don't mind his lover boy. He's always. There's never two sentences without him remembering or mentioning his early name.
I'm so sorry about that. May her soul rest in peace.
Thank you. Amen. And Lawson, don't forget tonight, please.
What is happening tonight? Don't tell me you both are planning to go out without me.
No.
Babe.
There's no such thing, babe. I was just
Well, the thing is, there's this online meeting we usually have with our friends.
Yeah.
Okay?
Oh.
And this man here is always missing out. So I'm just trying to
Okay, that's fine.
I'm not gonna miss out tonight.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm glad you're not even eating. The food no will do.
You like food.
Alright, take care.
Well, why did you tell me you're the lawyer?
Go get the food, I'll tell you. I am famished.
For that, I won't give you.
You will give me.
I will give you.
You're giving me all the foods available.
Hi, babe. Good evening. I'm okay. I'm alright. My day was fine. How was yours? Baby, when are you coming back from Spain? See, don't forget to tell me when you're coming back home so I can wait for you on your arrival at your place. I miss you more. I miss you. Alright. Good night, baby. And be a good boy. Be a good boy. Bye. Babe,
Yep.
have I ever complimented your nails? Like, just so neat and they can go in anywhere.
Huh?
Oh my god. The thing is, you're making me fall in love with you. Like, I am deeply in love with you. Ever since we met, I only think about how you take care of me, pamper me, spoil me. You're indeed God sent.
Well, what can I say? You too. You're the most special person I've been with in the last 5 or 6 years since my mom passed, and I'm really grateful the way you take care of me. You've been an absolute angel. I mean, you take care of me and everything, and cook for me. You do my laundries. You're a virtuous woman. Like a biblical virtuous woman. You even bath me.
Babe. Wow, when did I bathe you? Have you seen yourself? A grown-up man like you, how did I bathe you?
You bathed me now.
How?
The last time I was in the bathroom, what were you doing? You need to wash my back.
Babe, you call that bathing?
No.
You couldn't like scrub your back and just disturb it to just
I know.
scrub.
I
Scrub, oh.
I know. But
And you call that baiting?
yes.
See, please, don't say this outside. Don't tell people that I bait you, especially Alvin. It's so embarrassing. How did you say I bait you?
How is it embarrassing? I already told him. Oh, too late. I told.
You did?
Yes, I told Alvin.
How did you do that?
I told him. I didn't tell him. I didn't tell his family. No, I didn't tell him. I swear I didn't tell him. Why would I do
I
that?
don't believe you.
I did not tell him. Why would I?
Oh my God.
Alvin, you know, if I told him that, he will go tell the boys now, and they will all make fun of me. Come on, I was only pulling your beautiful
No,
legs.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
I'm pulling your beautiful legs. I didn't tell Alvin.
Like,
I did.
it's you.
You don't believe. What should I do so you can believe me? Huh? What should I do so you can believe me?
Babe.
Should I?
Stop.
Calvin.
Leave me. Leave me.
I
I still don't believe you. I
love
still
you.
don't believe you.
I love you. Love you. Believe me. Oh, you believe I love you?
Yes, I believe you, but I still don't believe that you didn't tell Alvin that bait you.
I didn't tell Alvin. I didn't tell Alvin. I didn't.
You have to give me some time, Alvin. I am not prepared for that to happen right now. As a matter of fact, I am not even in that headspace.
Man, you need to put yourself together. Okay? Jeremiah said he's coming too.
Coming for what exactly?
What do you mean coming for what exactly? Everyone wants a share from the meat. Come on.
Why must we involve Jeremiah right now? That's my turn.
Why do we not have to involve Jeremiah now that it's your turn? We've been playing this game for years. Need I remind you that?
This girl is my girlfriend.
Your what?
My girlfriend.
Come on, bro. There is no betrayal in the circle. Every girl belongs to each and every one of us. She's not your girl. For years, you've been eating from other girls. Now it's your turn. You're reminding me that she's your girlfriend. Really? This is not different. She's just like every one of them.
She belongs to everybody. Everybody. On this street, nobody will marry you.
She loves me, and I'm suddenly falling in love with her. Yes, I know this feeling is genuine. How can I tell Alvin and Desmond that I'm falling in love with this girl? I know this feeling is genuine, but how can I tell Alvin and Desmond that I'm falling in love with her? These guys will laugh me to scorn. They will laugh me to scorn. The same person that advises them against falling in love that it wasn't worth it? Come on. No. It will be a sheer mockery. But how will she see me at the end after everything? How do I face her? How do I face her? I can't carry that guilt on me. I mean, how do I tell her that she is just a game for us? It will hurt her feelings. Well, I don't have a choice. I just have to let nature take its course.
Yes, it's tonight. Yes. Listen, yes. Lawson came in from the UK yesterday, and our plans are for tonight. Yes, now. Would you want to miss a moment with her? Listen, I, for one, wouldn't miss it for anything. All right. No problem.
I don't know why he keeps calling me by this time of the night. I've told you to stop calling me by this time, but he doesn't listen. Hello? Hello? So where are you? Where are you now? I'm standing outside. You cancelled? You should have called me now.
Alvin, can we stop this? I mean, can we not do this anymore? I don't want to continue with this. My heart can't take it anymore.
What nonsense are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about?
Okay, I mean, like, I can't. Okay, well, can I look for someone else?
No. If it was the man that was sitting here, would you have told him something? Huh? Listen, I am going upstairs to stay in one of the rooms. When she comes, let me know.
Listen, Alvin, you need to reason this out with me. You need to. I've got my reasons for taking this stance. You don't want to see it.
Oh, really? Joke's on you.
Alvin. Alvin.
Lawson. Lawson!
Oh, what's up here?
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You look worried and sick. Are you sure you're fine?
Worried? Sick? Do I?
No, far from it. I just had a stressful day. I'm mulling over a few things, one or two things.
Was that why you didn't shut your door?
I didn't?
Your door was open.
I didn't even notice when you got in.
Yes, because your door was open, so I walked in. Babe, you should have called me early on your arrival. You didn't have to wait this long before calling me. And besides, you sounded worried and it troubled my heart. So I had to rush down here. Is everything okay?
Yeah. Everything is totally fine. I apologize if I caused you any stress. I just wanted to get you down here by all means, nothing more. And now that you're here,
Did you miss me that much?
Yes, I did. I'm hoping that this one will be the last.
What was that?
nothing. Never mind. So, now that you're here, can I go freshen up and come get what's mine?
It's not fully yours. But I can let you go tonight. Just tonight.
Thanks, Mama.
By the way, I saw Alvin's car parked outside, but I don't seem to see him anywhere around.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Apparently Alvin's clients live in this neighborhood. I didn't even know.
Oh.
Yeah, so they invited him for a birthday bash. So he turned up and then left his car in my premises, yeah. But he's going to come pick it up thereafter.
So, you didn't go because you knew I was coming?
I wouldn't miss this for all the dollars in the United States.
Okay, I'll be upstairs. You better come on time, else I'm going to change my mind. Baby scared me. I mean, why would you be knocking in your own room?
I'm sorry.
Please,
What?
go and freshen up.
And why did that come out like I'm smelling awfully?
Oh, no, baby, you're not smelling. You're not smelling. I just want you to smell.
Leave me alone. Damage control. Smelling. Leave you what? Please, is this thing really necessary? Huh? Why can't we just let this thing slide?
And what exactly do you mean by, is this really necessary? Bro, I suggest you go downstairs, grab a glass of wine while we're merry.
This girl's my babe. She's my girlfriend.
Your girlfriend?
My babe.
Lawson, what is wrong with you? Why are you sounding so weak? Oh, wait a minute. Are you in love with this girl?
Me? Love? What has love got to do with it? Is it far from it? Not in love with her.
Okay, I thought as much. Last week you were in my house, remember? We did some with Flora. Now it's Molly's turn. So please, step aside. Thank you.
But this one is different.
How is this one different? Listen, love died a long time ago, and we buried it. No love lost, no love found. Do you remember Maureen, Janet, Ella, or is it Pauline, the one you devoured like a hungry elephant, and she lay there like a helpless dog? Come on, you started this, and this is going to end on you. You should be happy Jeremiah isn't here. Bro, I suggest you stay awake. Be mindful of your door. He might just walk in anytime soon. And while you're at it, grab a glass of wine and let me have my fun. Thank you. Bro, excuse me.
What? You want to watch? Rolly?
Jesus. Alvin, what are you doing here? Why are you half naked and where is Lawson?
Come on, relax.
Babe!
Relax. There's no need to shout, okay? I am not going to hurt you.
I don't understand. I am Lawson's girlfriend and you are his friend. So what are you doing here?
Lawson's girlfriend? How come no one told me about that? Now listen to me, baby girl. You were just a sheep for the slaughter. Okay? There is no relationship anywhere. You are not different from other girls. This is how we do it. It's a circle.
I know that Lawson will never send you to do this to me.
But he did.
I know that Lawson will never send you to do this.
Come on, no, relax. You have to relax. Don't hurt yourself.
Help me, please, help me, please, help me, please.
So this is what you've been enjoying, huh? Look at him. Crying like a baby whose toy has just been taken away from him. This is what you've been enjoying. All by yourself. Huh? No wonder you've been looking fresh these days. Well, if you must know, I just drank from your well of gladness.
Out to your friend to rape me. Why?
Babe, I'll explain it to you. You would understand. But you see, I will make this up to you. Tell me anything you want. I'll do it. Anything. Just mention it. I'm going to do it. Please, don't take it too badly. I'm sorry, please. If you love me,
Blame you. I told about how I was molested by a friend. And you called it out and do the same to me. Tell me, who do I run to? I'm just a poor orphan. There's no one to run to. There's no help from anywhere. I hate you! I hate you!
What a situation. Nobody knows where she lives. Nobody knows if she's fine. Absolutely no clue about her. None whatsoever. Huh? I am so perplexed. I'm confused. It's so confusing, I swear. Ah, Lawson. What have you done? I mean, what if something terrible has happened to her? What if something terrible happened to her in this really awful times? Huh? I don't know what to do. Maybe I should call the police. I should call the DPO, that's right. Maybe I should call the DPO and ask for help. Yes, I'll do that. Okay. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I'm fine, sir. And you, sir? Oh, terrific. So, I don't know, are you at the office right now? All right, sir. So can I come see you, say, in the next 10, 15 minutes? Yes, sir. Yes, it's a bit urgent. I'm on my way. I'm along your road now to the office. Yeah, I can just swing by. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'll see you in 15 minutes. All right. Bye, sir. Yes. Lord, have mercy.
Madam, your phone dey ring. Madam, your phone dey ring.
What?
Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm fine. Hello? Please, can I call you back? I'm in a taxi. Oh, alright.
Madam, can you remind me the address again?
Oh, it's just number 19 in Mole Crescent by the Navy Estate.
My life is broken into pieces. I don't know where to go from here. I'm a victim of circumstance. How will my help come? Where will it come from? I don't know.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
Fine, ma'am. I'm not expecting your call today.
Oh, yes. I need to do some checkup. Can you take me to any hospital around here?
Yes, there's a good hospital where my wife did the operation and the doctor saved my wife. The doctor is especially good and okay.
Oh, fantastic. Take me there right away.
Okay.
Yes. So, how may I help you?
My name is Rolly, and I don't know, doctor, for some reason I just feel some type of way. I don't know. I'm having discomfort.
Okay. That's okay. I mean, what we have to do is to run a general test on you. So I will have the nurse take your blood and your urine, and we'll do a general test. 2 or 3 days, you'll be fine. Meanwhile, your face looks familiar. Are you sure you've not seen somewhere?
Not at all, doctor. I just moved a week ago, so definitely not me.
Oh. I just... Is there something about you?
No, doctor. You know, people tend to look alike somehow. And someone actually referred me to you. They spoke highly of you.
Okay, I'll have the nurse come. So you wait. They'll take some samples. I'm sure the result will be out in 3 days, so fix you up. You're welcome. Don't worry yourself, okay? Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright.
Hey, it's Rolly, right?
Good afternoon, Dr. Obi, Dr. Gerald.
Yeah, it's okay. You can call me Obi. That's fine. I see you've gotten your result.
Yes, I have.
Oh, fantastic.
It's just a minor typhoid and malaria. I actually came to your office to see you, but you were not there, so I had to leave.
Oh, so sorry. I went out for an external run, but I'm here now. So come in, let's take a look at it, and then we'll figure out what the.
Don't worry about that. Since I already know what it is, I will just treat myself.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, that's all right. It's good to see you again.
It's good to see you too, doctor. Thank you.
All right. You too.
All right, bye. Hello? Dr. Obi, it's you again.
Yes, it's me. My goodness. What are you doing here standing in front of the church? Well, hold on. Don't tell me we worship in the same place.
Well, unfortunately, we attend the same church.
Wow. That's a coincidence.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So where are you going to? Let me drop you off.
No, you don't worry. I'm waiting for my taxi. It's almost here.
Are you sure?
He's 5 minutes away.
I mean, come on, we are friends now. I mean, I can always drop you off. It's not a problem.
Dr. Obi, don't worry. I'm fine. You're such a good man. Thank you.
You know what? You know what? This is what we do. Why don't we sit in my car till your taxi comes? I mean, it's quite hot. I don't know.
Dr. Obi, thank you.
I insist, please. It's just to sit in the car.
Dr. Obi, why are you this nice?
Please.
Oh, you win.
Awesome. Please. You get it? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Well, you can say that again.
I have been distracted from work since I met you. I'm always smiling each time I think of you. There is this undressed happiness that pours up in my system. That joy I haven't felt for a long time since I lost my first love. You just suddenly brought it alive.
Can you just stop? You're making me blush. Can I really make someone this happy?
You don't only make me happy, you are the complete version of me. No wonder the day I first saw you, you appeared to me like someone I know all my life.
Really? You need to see the way I'm blushing like a baby that just got candies. I just hope you're real.
I'm for real, girl. I want you to know that when I look into your eyes, I see my woman.
Has it got into that already? You know what? This past week has just been amazing. You've brought so much joy to me. I must tell you.
I
What?
I love you.
Sweet. Okay, so you love me. Can you prove it?
I'm on my way to come prove it to you.
No. Don't come. Don't come. Don't bother. I'm heading out.
Okay, dear. See you tomorrow then.
See you tomorrow. Hello, sir. Oh, okay.
Really, all I have done of lately is to think of how to make things work between us. How to make everything okay for us. I can't stop thinking about you. Forgive.
Babe,
Mhm.
I have a surprise for you.
Hmm.
But it's upstairs in my room. Come, let's go.
What surprise?
What's happened? What is the problem, babe? What is it?
Upstairs in your room? No, please.
Babe, this is the third time you're declining the request to go to my room. Why? I mean, you freely enter all the rooms downstairs, but not the ones upstairs. What happened? You think I have a dead body in my room?
No, babe, it's not that. I just don't like climbing the stairs. You know, when I was little, I fell and I broke my leg, and since then I've had phobia for climbing upstairs.
Come on, honey. You're a full-grown woman now. Huh? You shouldn't be scared of things that happened in the past. Come, let's go upstairs.
Don't worry. When I'm ready, I'll go. Okay. But for now, I'll wait here for the surprise to come.
If you say so.
Okay. I'm waiting.
No, but bro, on a very serious note, I'm being honest. She comes to my house. She does everything a woman would do in the house. She will clean, she will cook, will eat, but she will never climb upstairs. She has never climbed upstairs. Not to my bedroom, not to the rooms upstairs, but just ground floor. I don't just understand. I don't know. I mean, she said how did she put it again? That she fell from the stairs when she was a child, and then she developed this phobia for height. So because of that, she could not climb the stairs. I don't just understand. No. We of course we do it everywhere. We do it in my house. We have sex in our house. Just the rooms downstairs, but we have never climbed to my room.
Well, hold on. You think so? You think that's what she's doing? Are you sure that she doesn't want to stay in the bedroom till we're married? Eh? It's very possible. It's very possible. So you're saying I should make the moves fast, eh? Okay. Yeah, well, I think I should do that as fast as possible. It's alright, my brother. Anyway, enough about me. Enough about me. So how you doing, man? How is your family? How is your child? Everything good? Oh, fantastic, fantastic. All right, bro. Let me attend to the patient real quick, okay? All right, you take care.
Strange number. Who could this be? Jesus. Why is he calling me? No negative vibes. My life is becoming better. Positive energy only. Jesus. I come against every bad spirit, every spiritual pit of hell, out of my life in the name of Jesus. Jesus. I'm pregnant. I thought I took pills after what Alvin and Lawson did to me. Who can I say is the father of my baby? It's just few days I had an affair with Obi and the result proves I'm pregnant. I took pills after I and Gerald made out. I'm pregnant. How is this possible? I think I need to run another test. It's impossible. My God, help.
Babe, can we sleep in my room? Please now, I am tired of sleeping in the guest room when my room is up there, chilling and very okay and comfortable. Please.
Not today now, please. You know I still have that phobia in me, but I promise I would definitely sleep in your room someday. I just need to work on it and so just do something about it.
Do you want to see a doctor?
Do I need to see a doctor when I have one here?
I'm not talking about my kind of doctor. You know the doctor I'm talking about.
I don't understand. Baby, please. Allow me to sleep here peacefully. Or are you trying to send me away?
God forbid. Baby, I'll never do such a thing now. No. Huh? It's just that.
Good. So I will sleep where I want to sleep.
Fine. Can I have it your way?
Thank you. Baby, smile now.
Babe, I want to take you out today. But I said to myself, I have to get you something sexy to wear. This.
Thank you, baby. Let me open it. Oh, this is so cute.
Right?
I love it.
I know, so I want you to put it on and see what it looks on you. Because I told the person that's what it told me that if it doesn't fit, I'm returning it.
Oh, this is going to fit perfectly. This is my perfect size. I'm coming.
I don't know where to start from. I want you to run. Hey. Listen, I love you. I know that I don't know a lot of things about you, but I know I love you, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Babe, ever since you came into my life, you've given my life more meaning. I don't feel lonely anymore. Please, marry me, and I promise you, I will make you the happiest woman on earth. Please. Marry me.
Yes, I will marry you.
You scared me for you. Oh my goodness.
I will marry you.
Oh. You scared me for you.
So much.
I promise. I will never leave you, no matter the circumstance. I promise. Okay?
They may not know you like I know you. You're the one for me, baby. I am so sure that your love is pure. Nothing else matters. I love you. I need you. I want you. Forever. I love you. I need you.
Hey, babe. Hey.
Babe, what happened?
Welcome back. I was calling your phone, but you were not picking, so I decided to come and check. And there you were, passed out on the floor. So I had to administer drip so that you can regain consciousness.
Thank you, babe.
It's alright. Guess what?
What?
You're pregnant. We're having a baby. Yes, of course you should be pregnant. I mean, I've been shooting this stuff in there for a while, so I'm expecting results. You know what? Henceforth, you're moving in with me permanently. I want to take care of you and our baby. Okay? Alright, rest. Rest now. I love you.
Good day, sir.
Yes. Oh man, who are you and how may I help you?
My name is Michael.
Okay.
I'm actually here to deliver this package, sir.
You're here to deliver this car to me. Who sent it?
Dr. Obeyi, sir.
But I am Dr. Obia. Why would I send the car to myself?
Oh, sir, you bought this car. In fact, you bought for Mrs. Rolly Obeyi here.
Oh, I did.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy birthday. You deserve it, okay? Come on, check it out. I know. Yeah. I know. You like it, huh?
I love you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, I understand. Just have Dr. Ifeanyi handle her, okay? Explain to her that I'll be there first thing tomorrow morning. Good. Yes, I will. Alright, thank you, nurse. Yeah.
Babe,
Yes, my love.
it's been months since we got married and we haven't visited my grandma. You know, you promised that we're going to see her 2 weeks after the wedding. And...
Yes, I remember. You know what? We do that this weekend. I'll make our time.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yes, that's
Perfect.
fine.
So, how is my baby doing?
Well, your baby is fine.
Fantastic.
And how is my baby daddy?
Oh, baby daddy is good. And how is my baby mama?
As you can see,
Baby mama is fine.
You're just silly. Are you done with that chicken? I can take it. Me, I will not take it. I know you. You know, I ate your chicken. I know you.
Mind times two. Hello, honey. Baby, please come and pick me. I don't like this environment. It looks familiar in a sinister kind of way. Please hurry and take me to the hospital so I can go for antenatal. Please hurry.
So you're having a baby?
Baby. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's just a dream, okay? It's just a dream. Oh my goodness, you're burning up. I'm sure it's the night fever.
It's the baby.
It's the baby, yes. I know. It's just a bad dream, okay? Or something terrible that happened in the past. I'm sure. Sorry, okay?
Baby, please, can you get me cold water?
Okay, just rest. I will. Alright.
Baby, pick up. Pick. Honey, I think the baby's coming. I'm headed to the hospital right now. Meet me at the hospital, please. Oh, okay. Oh, no, come on, baby. Oh.
Boy.
Okay, guys, it's time for lunch. Come inside.
Mom, hold on. We'll join you later.
The boy, as the master of the house, you have spoken. No, this is not me.
Babe, please. People should come inside. It's time for lunch. I mean, you've been playing this ball for over an hour now.
Hey, we'll join you soon. Give us some time.
Right?
We're not going anywhere.
Oh, you should come inside. I'm not ready to play. I'm not even.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Here we go.
That's my champion.
Honey?
Yeah?
Remember to talk to the school about the bullies. I will not tolerate anyone bullying my child.
Sure, I will. We're already late. Babe, you know I'm meant to stop by the supermarket to pick the supplies.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
So,
I'm going to see you
alright,
later.
be careful, okay?
Bye. Yeah, I will.
Move off. I'll just drop you with mom, okay? Daddy has an emergency at the hospital, okay? Alright, good boy. Here you go.
Sit well. Put the seatbelt on. Yes.
But Kelvin, you like shawarma now. Kelvin, don't be a naughty boy. Don't be a naughty boy. We're going to buy shawarma. Mommy's going to buy you shawarma. You're going to like it. So what do you want me to buy for you? Ice cream? Do you want ice cream? What do you mean I don't want anything? This boy. Kelvin, did anything happen in school today? So why are you being moody? Kelvin, Mommy is talking to you. You don't ignore Mommy. I'm going to buy shawarma for you, okay?
Babe, what happened to me? Babe, please, can you help me up? Babe, you're just staring. Help me, please.
Who is the biological father of Kelvin? Your son.
Babe, what kind of question is this? Can't you see my condition? This is not the time for this expensive joke, please.
Who is the father of your son, Kelvin?
Bobby, what is it now?
Do not make me ask you again! Who is the father to your son?
You're his father. Kelvin is your son.
Explain this to me.
Look, babe, this is not true. This can't be true. This
can't be true. Are you telling me a DNA test tells a lie? You're telling me that the DNA test I did is a lie. Kelvin is not my son. Kelvin is not my son. 3 good years. 3 years I've been raising that boy as my own. And he's not my son. You know what? Whenever you get up from this hospital bed, you're coming straight to pack your things and leave my house, because I don't want to set eyes on you or that bastard boy, because if I do, I will kill you both. And I mean it. This is the divorce paper, and make sure you sign them.
Oh, Kelvin is your son.
My life is broken into pieces. I don't know where to go from here. I'm a victim of circumstance. How will my help come? Where will it
For
come?
close to 4 years with her. His 3-year-old son I have loved so much, taken care of, catered for every need, and built my life around him. Finally, I get to find out he's not mine. How on earth do I explain this to people? God. Oh, no, I can't take this. I can't. She broke my heart. She betrayed me. Why? I loved her so much. Why would she do this to me? I never saw this coming. Oh God. God, why me? Why? God. No.
Madam, please calm down. Please, everything will be fine.
I'm Dr. Ada. I know the news is going to be hard for you to take, but please,
calm down.
Where's my son?
Your son is fine. You will see your son as soon as you're ready to see him.
I'm ready. Just take me to my son, please.
Please calm down. You will see your son. Your son actually lost a lot of blood, but we managed to sustain him.
My son lost a lot of blood. My God. So what really happened? The last I remember, I was driving.
Okay, from what I heard, I think both of you were involved in an accident. And this accident almost took the life of your son. You, on the other hand, you had dislocations, but we managed to treat the both of you. You went into coma and we treated your son. But thank God, both of you are fine. Just calm down, relax, okay?
But doctor,
please, you need to rest, okay? When you recover, you will hear the other details.
I don't want to rest. I want to see my son.
Please calm down. This is not good for your health. Please. Your son is fine. You will see your son, okay? Just rest for now, okay? I promise you, you will see your son. Please. Calm down, madam. Stop crying. Please, calm down. I'll take my leave. Excuse me.
I want to see my son. Oh my God.
Yes, he lost 71% of blood. I think the accident affected some vital arteries. As much as we could tell, he needed blood. Under that pressure, Dr. Obe came into the hospital to make claims that he's the father of Kelvin. But we couldn't allow that because there was no family member to testify for him. But the pressure was too much for my director. He requested for a DNA sample. That if it matches his, then he can take you and Kelvin to whichever hospital he wanted to.
You couldn't let him.
Yes, we could have, but we have policy guiding our organization. He's a doctor just like myself. Same field of experience. But we couldn't allow it because the urgency didn't give us time to search deep. The only way out at that point in time was to do a DNA test. So he took Kelvin's blood sample and went to his hospital, which is also a reputable hospital. But sadly, the result came out and he's not the father of Kelvin.
Jesus. God. What have I done? I've lost a good man. What did I do?
Yes, you've indeed lost a good man. Do you know he practically fainted and we had to do an emergency wake-up strategy for him to regain consciousness. He cried a lot before he went to look for blood for Kelvin.
He did?
Yes, he did. And he got lots of blood. He came at about 1:30 a.m. with a lady he addressed as Jane.
Jane was here?
Yes.
I need to call her. Where's my phone?
I'm so sorry, but we couldn't retrieve anything at the accident scene. I guess some folks got hold of it before we got there.
Obi is such a good man. Despite the fact that the result didn't favor him, he still did all that for me and my son.
Mom, but I want to ask you something. If he is not the father of Kelvin, then who is the father of Kelvin? Because I don't see why someone will have such a good man and get pregnant outside for someone else.
I don't understand you. But I can tell you how it all happened.
No, not today. You need to rest. I'll come see you in the morning so we can talk better.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
You're welcome. Please have your rest. I need to take my... son. I've prayed all the prayers just to see you again. I've missed you so much.
I miss so tired.
Look at you. Looking all fully recovered. I'm so proud of you.
Where's Dad?
Dad is going to come. He's fine. I'm so sorry I didn't listen to you when you said you didn't want to eat shawarma. If I had listened to you, we wouldn't end up in this place. But I promise you, I will listen to you henceforth.
Okay?
Hello.
Good morning, Doctor.
Good morning, Rolly. How are you doing today?
I'm overwhelmed. I don't really know how to say it. I'm sorry I didn't notice you.
It's fine. I understand the joy. So you know what? Just have a good time with your son. Calvin, take care of mommy, okay? Alright, I'll see you guys later. Have fun. You're welcome.
Oh my boy, I missed you. My champion. Give him a high five. Yay! Come. That's my boy. Oh, my soldier boy. Don't worry, mommy's going to feel good and go home, okay?
Hello. How are you? Good evening to you too, my little soldier. How are you doing today?
Good evening, Doctor. I didn't know you were still around.
Good evening to you, Rolly. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
And yes, I'm still around. I just finished my shift for the day. I was about leaving, so I decided to come say hello to you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And yes, you've been discharged. You're free to go home. Your bills has been sorted out.
Sorted out?
Mm-hmm.
How? By who? Doctor, honestly, it has been my prayer and my worry. Now someone has paid my bills. I don't even have anyone. Doctor, you know how I came.
Rolly, you ask too many questions at a time. I know how you came, but just forget about everything and calm your nerves. The most important thing is someone paid for your bills. You don't need to know who. But I'm worried. Where will you go to from this place?
Doctor, I believe God will provide. I never stop believing in Him. He always makes a way.
God will provide. Well, I can help.
No, doctor, no, please. You have done more than enough. I mean, from medication to provision to care. And you don't even know me from Adam. God will bless you. I'm really grateful.
So, I will come check up on you in the morning. And please, do not leave without seeing me. Wait till I return, okay?
Yes, I will.
Calvin! Take care of mommy, okay? Good night.
Good night, doctor.
Yeah, bye.
I don't want to say good night to doctor. She's the one taking care of mommy. My boy.
Let me go and look for what my son will eat. I just hope he's safe in there. Let me just go.
And I'm in the rain, alone, away from you. It's not my fault. Oh, what I went through. No, I couldn't control it. I couldn't handle it. I don't know what else you want me to do.
It's raving.
My life is broken into pieces. I don't know where to go from here. Here, I'm a victim of circumstance. How will my help come? Where will it come from? I don't know. It's not my fault. What I went through. No, I couldn't control it. I couldn't handle it. I don't know what else you want me to do. Now I am all alone. When I thought that everything has changed, but it faded away. You didn't give me a chance to explain. And I'm in the rain, alone, away from you. It's not my fault. What I went through. No, I couldn't control it. I couldn't handle it. I don't know what else you want.
Rolly! Kelvin! What is wrong with you? What are you doing here? I've been looking for you since morning. What is going on? Why would you even subject yourself to this?
Good evening, Dr. Ada.
Good evening. Rolly, what is all this now? I thought I asked you to wait for me at the hospital. I was looking for you. I did not see you or my little champ. What is going on? Why are you suffering yourself like this?
Dr. Ada, I did not want to bother you. I did not want to pay a body to you. You have done enough for I and my son. And I know that you're definitely going through your own problems. Adding my son and myself to you now will be a whole load. And besides, I'm waiting for this shop to close so that I and my son will just go there and sleep.
What are you saying? What is wrong with you? Did I ever complain to you that you're a burden to me? Did I complain? So why would you just think that your problem is going to add to my own problem? You know what? No ifs or buts. You're coming with me right away, okay? I don't want to hear you complain. Shh, stop crying. People are watching, okay? Let's go. Kelvin, have you eaten? Let's go. Stop crying. He has not eaten and you... Let's go. Please.
So that's my dilemma. After I got molested, there was no one to run to. Mr. Lawson, a renowned surgeon. Alvin, a barrister. Jeremiah, who happens to be the son of Senator Adini. And then there is me, an orphan with no one to report to. To think that they've been in this act long before I was in this thing.
Indeed, this world is a wicked one. But I promise you, they won't go scot-free. I will fight them with the last drop of my blood.
You don't need to, please. You don't need to. Let God's will prevail.
Was that how Kelvin came about? Well, how come he looks so much like Gerard? They look so much alike.
I don't even understand. I can't explain. Because after I was raped, I took pills to flush it all out. But I guess it didn't work. And that was the same period I met with Obi and we made out. Honestly, if I had known that the seed was still in me, I would have done something or probably said something. But I didn't. I didn't know. I had no idea.
It's okay. You don't have to blame yourself. Okay. But we need to know among the three of them who is the father of Kelvin. Kelvin deserves a father.
Is there need for that?
There is.
Please forgive me. Please. I believe what I've been going through, the hand I've been dealt, is a result of what I did to you. Please.
We haven't come here for a pity mission. She has a baby from what you guys did to her. My name is Dr. Ada, and I have come to take your blood sample. I come in peace. So you need to allow me have your blood sample peacefully. Else, we'll go the other way around, and I'm sure you don't want that. We just want to know who the father of the child is among the two of you.
You can only have mine.
Why? Two of you were involved in it. Why yours only?
We were involved in a shootout. The night we were on our way to a concert organized by Jeremiah's father, Senator Adeni. On a fateful night. Jeremiah and Alvin died on the spot. I was lucky to escape, but with 6 bullets lodged in my system. I still have this bullet in here till today. The doctor said I damaged my entire reproductive system. I could be unable to have children.
May the Lord forgive you. Dr. Ada, please let's go.
Really? What about the blood sample?
There is no need for that. Please, let's go.
Please forgive.
May the Lord forgive you. I can see you're already paying for your sins.
Hello? Yeah, good evening, please. What is that? Oh. What does he want? Can you please just tell him that I've left the hospital and I can't come back now? Let him come first thing in the morning. What's his name and what does he say he wants? I need me urgently. Oh, did you just say Dr. Obe? Okay. Okay, you know what? Just tell him I'll be there in a jiffy. Alright. Driver, please, can you take me back to the hospital, please? Thank you.
Why are we back here?
Rolly, something happened at the hospital 3 days ago, and it involves you and Kelvin.
Me and Kelvin? Are we still in the hospital?
No.
So what happened?
It's about Obe.
Obie? What happened to him?
Calm down. You really love this guy. I can see that.
Not that. You mentioned his name and I got worried. What happened?
He came and he just arrived.
Who just arrived?
Babe. Honey, I'm so sorry. Okay. Baby, I'm so sorry for everything I've done.
for maltreating you and my kid. I am so sorry, okay? I just want you to find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please, I beg you. Please.
Please, listen to him. He has something important to say.
I don't want to listen to him. Gerald betrayed me. He treated me in a way no woman wants to be treated.
Baby, I know. Okay, I know. I was deceived. I know what I did was wrong, but I was deceived. The DNA test was forged. You remember Hannah, the girl I told you that wanted to marry me, and I turned her down. She's my colleague. I gave her the sample for her to test, and she gave me the wrong result. I should have cross-checked. I should have checked before taking actions, but I didn't, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please, babe. Look, I am willing to make amends, okay? Whatever I've done, I'll make it up to you 10,000 times. Please, baby, forgive me. I'm begging you. Please.
Please, forgive him. He's speaking the truth. You know, he took the samples to 5 different hospitals, and it turned out that Calvin is his biological son. I also conducted my DNA test, and it matched. He has been crying. He has been sad. And this was what Jane saw, that he loves his family so much. And that was why she revealed the truth about everything.
Jane.
Yes.
Jane is my friend. And she betrayed me.
We were all betrayed. I'm sorry. Baby, please, I beg you. I love you so much. And I want to spend the rest of my life with you. I want you and my son back. Please. I love you. Okay?
I love you. I need you. I want you. Forever. I love you. I need you. I want you. Forever, baby. No matter what people say, no matter what them do, you are the one for me.
I enjoyed my meal. It was so delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, we're going to make a toast to family, friendship, peace, and happy ever after.
Dr. Ada, I want to especially thank you for taking care of my family when I was in a dark place. And I pray that you find the peace you deserve in your home. And let me say this here, whenever you're ready to get married, when you're ready, just call on me, I'll sponsor that wedding.
Oh, wow. That's so thoughtful of you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And it's very soon. Get ready.
Thank you for being a good friend. You were a friend indeed. And to think you sorted my bills. Well, I heard it from someone. Thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome. Your family now, so.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Kevin, you good? Yeah, that's my boy. That's my boy. You want some apple? No. Oh yes, watermelon it is. I know.
Babe! Babe! I saw a car outside. Who has it?
Oh, you did?
Baby, stop! Who has
What's it
it?
supposed to be for? Is it for me? Is it...
I don't know. Baby, stop now.
Where's
Tell me.
Kelvin? Kelvin?
Kelvin!
Yeah, that's my boy.
Tell him, who is the car for? It's for mommy.
Yes. Oh, my sweet boy. Oh, come here. Come here. See, my sweet boy got me a car. And who is mommy's little champion? You are. Baby. Thank you.
You did great.
Oh. For this,
So-
I'm going to buy you something special. What? What is
Go
it?
ahead and say it. Say it, say it.
Why? Don't be shy. Tell me.
I'm sure she's trying to say you're going to take him to school with her.
Ah.
And, boy. You know what you're going to cook for us, our favorite meal.
No.
So you cook for what?
My son got me the castle for my son. Baby, what do you want?
Is that what it is now? No.
Don't be jealous. This is my son. No. This is my champion.
Amazing, your wisdom and understanding. That is why I love you. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Me?
Come. How are you?
Okay.
Okay, I want to let you know that I'll be traveling to the US. Miami to be precise.
It's a lie, babe. I've heard so many beautiful things about Miami. It's beautiful. It's fun. But I know you're not going there for fun. It's work, right? So tell me, when are you leaving?
When am I leaving? That depends on you.
On me? How? Don't tell me you're trying to take permission from me before you travel. I mean, you're going to save a life. You don't need to take permission from me.
We are traveling to Miami together. You, Kelvin, and I.
It's a lie.
I'm serious.
It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. Baby, stop now. Stop
What?
pulling my legs
I mean
now.
it. You deserve it.
Oh my God! Come here. Oh, my sugar baby.
I know,
Oh, you're
I
the
know.
best. I love
I
you
know.
so much. I love you so much. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you.
Hey, that's my boy. Come here. Honey. You look good.
Thank you.
Come, let's go. Hey.
I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever, baby. No matter what people.
This is it.
If someone like the way they like this one. But look at us. We're not together. I thank God for his faithfulness.
Come here. It's okay. Hey. We thank God. Okay? Let's focus on this trip. Come on now, let's not miss our flight.
I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever. I love you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you. I love you. I need you. I need you. I want you. I want you forever.